Yeah, man. Cat just looking. Can't look at me like I ain't fucking with you though.
One eternity later.
Yeah, man, getting ready to mess with this Mossberg real quick. I don't have anything in here. Just want to do a couple things. May head to the range tomorrow, shoot off a couple rounds. So wanted to make some adjustments on some pieces that I received. And also I want to try to figure out, I'm thinking I need to change the battery and this sight. So I can use that. And what I did is I purchased some different ammo. Well, I had this for a while. I just didn't take it to the range the last time I went. So I want to take this with me to the range as well. And this is the 22 LR, the CCI. I was watching something, watching some reviews, and I seen that somebody shooting with these were pretty good and it didn't jam. When I took the other ammunition I had for this 22 LR, it kept getting caught up, failure to eject from the chamber. And I was checking on this. This seems pretty cool. I don't think this is the problem, so it may have been the ammunition, I'm hoping. But what I did also is, let's see, I purchased some parts to put on here, and they came in right after the situation with ATF and talking about you can't have butt stocks on the back of these. So I'm going to send this one back. I'm going to send this back. I didn't even open it. But also what I did is I am going to put this buffer on there. I got a buffer, and with the 22 Mossberg 22, this is a special part right here that I purchased to put on the end, and I got this from what was the name of the place online? Oh yeah, Ammo AZ. I got all this stuff from Ammo AZ, and they do have a YouTube channel as well. So check them out if you need some parts for your gun, if you need some butt stocks, if you need some, this right here, this goes onto the back, and there's not a lot of places you can get this part to go onto the back when you want to hook up your buffer tube. They pack this pretty good, man. I'm gonna get it out of here though. Here you go. So this right here is the piece that goes on the back right here. And they don't have a lot. You can't just get that from anywhere to put this on. And you need this part to put your buffer tube on. And you need this part if you're gonna put on a butt stock. Let's see. And I remember it's like 2 parts to it. So you have to hold one part, unscrew the other part, to get this piece off, and then put that piece on. So that's what we're going to do right now. This is just a little something to have fun with, man. Just a little something to, you know, kick around with, take to the range, have some fun, man. Teach your kids how to shoot. You know what I'm saying? So, oh yeah, also my castle nut wrench. Where did I put that? I need my castle nut wrench as well to put this on, because this is the piece for that. So this right here comes off. I don't need this anymore. This right here has notches on it. It slides into here, and if you look at it, it has a little groove part right here, and there's a part inside the back of here that you can't see, probably, that groove goes into to hold this in place. Once you get that in there, trying to think, yeah, that screws onto that tightens up there. Then you can put these back in. See if I can see through that. See if it's in there properly. There we go. That should be it. With a little pet. Try the other side. Put this other screw on the other side. Tighten that in there. I have to get a piece of foam for the end of this buffer so that it could be a little soft part. Right? And you have this right here, this capsule nut. And this is the capsule nut branch. This goes, I go this way or the other way. That way. Yeah, and it goes downward. So what you do is you screw this in here to where you want it. You can take that capsule nut up a little more. Put this in here. That's where you want it. And this is not going to be good because now I have that part. I think it goes into effect like, I got to look it up, like March, I think it was March the 20th. You can't use them anymore. But I wanted this because when I went to the range, I felt like I needed a little for the security when I was shooting to have it up, you know, up on here like this. But some days are over, right? For now, anyway. So I'm gonna put this on here. Got that straight. Get my castle nut wrench. Tighten that up. And I'll get me some foam to put on there. So put my magazine in. Like that right there, y'all. All right, so let me go get the piece and tighten that up. And also what we're going to do is we're going to see what's going on with this this sight. All right, hold on one sec.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Got the castle nut wrench. Tighten this up real quick. Do with that. And also what I did, I had purchased some other ammo. This is Aguila, and this is 22 LR Super Extra as well. This is a hollow point, but it's not real sharp on the end. So I had purchased this from one of the gun shows. I wanted to check it out and see how this shoots before I purchase any more. So I have that CCI 22LR and I have this, so when I go back I can fire off both different types of ammo and see which one works the best. I like this one because it looks kind of smooth on the edges, like it's going to go right through and not give me any problems. So I'm going to take this with me to the range as well. And now I want to see what's going on with this sight, man. If I had, did I leave it on for the battery? Man, it's been so long, I can't even remember how to get to the battery. This actually came with that. This is the box it came in. I'm trying to see. Man. You have to put the battery in here. When I got it, the directions, have to go back to the directions, figure out where the battery is. Let's see, I know it was. Let me see. On. All right, man, let me try to figure this out, how to get to the battery. I think I know. If it's in here, that means that this should come off some kind of way. Here we go. Got it, y'all. Look at that, right on the top. I knew if it was in here. So let me see if that battery may be dead, but let me see. This battery works. What I should have did is after the first time, I should have flipped the battery around so that it wasn't in use. What was I thinking, right? Or make sure I turned it off properly. There we go. So the battery was dead. I already see the sight in there already. Yes, sir. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me try to. Can you see that? Can you see the green dot? See that in there? All right, and also what happens is there's a dial up the top to brighten it up, make it less dim. That's off. That's what I probably needed to do the first time. Turn it off. All right, there's a red dot as well. Dim, light, off. Green dot, dim, bright, brighter. Okay. All right, good to go, man. 6-0. All right, so yeah, we straight on that. Make sure I turn this off. I'm gonna put this back. And we are gonna be good to go for tomorrow. This up a little further. Let's see, something that's too far. Turn the sight on. There we go. Let's see. Yep, that's it. Let's see if I can put it back some. Tighten that up. We are good to go. Yes, sir. Now the crazy thing, let me see. It's not tape, man. I could just show y'all what it looked like, right? Yeah. Just show you what it looked like. Real quick. With the current situation, they should take these back, right? But you can't really use them anymore. What you think? Go to the range, they be like, no, little buddy, you can't put that on there. It's got this on it. It's a mag pull. There we go. This is what they don't like. Take it all the way out. See, look, that is perfect, man. It is perfect. Bang. Look at this. But they don't want these on these anymore, on the pistols. I think we have until March the 20th? I think it is, March the 20th. So I'm going to send that one back. I'm going to send that back to where I purchased it from. But yeah, this is it right here, guys. All right. So what do you guys think we should take with us besides this Mossberg 715P? You think we should take, let me see. Maybe we should take, you think we should take the Taurus with us, the Judge, and take the 410 gauge, and also take the 45 long, the Colt, what's that? 45 longs. Or we could take the Glock 19X with the MCK conversion kit. That might be cool to do. Take something like that. Or do you want to take the, nah, we don't need to take that brand new shiny gold thing with us, man. I might take the maybe the Sagana. That's another 9mm. It's an 18 shot. And I believe I have a sight for that. So we can, yeah, maybe we'll take that. But we'll let that be a surprise. We're going to take one of those with us. Not really sure which one, but we're going to have some fun. All right. Just wanted to say that real quick.
I want to reach 1 million likes.
That's going to be about it for this video. So we changed the battery and the optic. We have the CCI ammo that we're going to take with us tomorrow to the range. The CCI 22 LR, and we also have the Aguila at 22 that I purchased from another gun range, the one I went to. So we're going to see how these two fire, and we're going to take something else with us tomorrow. I'm not sure which one we're going to take, but we are going to take another firearm with us. I'm going to say like this video, tell your friends about it, subscribe, man. We're very close to the 1,000 subscriber mark. Please help me get to that 1,000 and beyond, man. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something exciting. I'm going to do something for the channel, do something for you guys, do some kind of gift to you guys, maybe do 2. I might do 3. We don't know yet. All right, so that's going to pretty much wrap this video up. And I want to thank you again for checking me out. And I will holler at you tomorrow at the range. Get ready, man. We getting ready to go have us some fun. Peace. It's caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.